Hello, my name is Janssen. I'm a professor of medicine at Erasmus University in Rotterdam, the Netherlands, and at the University of Toronto. On the 8th of November this year, adjacent to the ASLD meeting in Boston, we will organize for the 10th time the International Workshop on HBV Cure. We'll have an outstanding faculty with global key opinion leaders talking both on the clinical as well as translational aspects of HBV Cure.
I'm Adam Gehring, Senior Scientist at the Toronto Center for Liver Disease. I'm excited to invite everybody to Boston because, as always, we have an outstanding program focusing on key issues surrounding clinical management, clinical trials, and translational research in hepatitis B and Delta. We also have updates from our industry partners ahead of the ASLD meeting. We look forward to seeing everybody in Boston.
Hope to see you in Boston. Be there.